Look what came in at JC Cayer, the brand new M18 precision blower. So this is at number 3 with the 10mm nozzle, 5 amp battery. Watch to see how this cleans up. Seconds. Right off the bat, I like the size of it. Got here. Oh, manual. The 1-key accessories here. The new M18 blower is very compact, lightweight, brushless motor. Really nice. Cranks out to 570 miles per hour with the 39 cubic feet output. I think with the 10mm nozzle, which is really, it's really powerful. So this is the blower here. As you can see, you got 3 speeds here. So you got 1, 2, and 3. They all click, which is really nice. One of the biggest features of this blower is actually the back inlet filter that comes off and removable, just to help get dust out of the actual unit itself and keeps it clean. And these are replaceable, which is also another bonus. So for runtime, this says it can run for 30 minutes non-stop on full power on number 3 with an X5 battery. High output, of course, and yeah. This is coming in at 7 inches long and only 2 pounds, which is pretty good for a hand unit with this amount of power. It's the nozzle holder, 6mm, 10mm, got the inflator. Comes out with a 1/4 turn, just like this. All the same, obviously to match the blower. Got a carabiner holder right here. Got magnets here. Stick it to your workbench, just like that. And you got 2 spots for mounting it to a wall or something with the screw. You got a variable trigger, so like that. Lock it, let go. And click. Click. Which is pretty sweet. You got an LED light out the front, which is pretty awesome. Of course, it's backed up by Milwaukee's 5-year warranty. So doing a little airspeed test. This is at number 1. Number 1 with no nozzle. This is number 2. This is number 3, no nozzle. Okay, going to 1, putting on Milwaukee small nozzle. Number 1 speed. Set number 2 speed. Set number 3 speed. Go 10mm nozzle. Set number 1 speed. Set number 2 speed. This is at number 3 speed. I hope this video was helpful. You can pick up the Milwaukee Precision Blower at jcka.com. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.